Okay, on to
what we found.
today's episode is free tiller. Will it run?
Yeah.
What do you think? You think it'll run?
No.
I mean, it says right here, free runs.
I don't think
So,
it's gonna run.
so wait, is that giving you free runs, or does that mean it's free and it runs?
I don't know. We done took it now.
Yeah, I don't know if I want runs. I don't like having runs.
Oh, I thought. Okay. Uh oh.
So what is it? It's a Briggs & Stratton Quantum Edge 6.5 horse tiller.
Yeah.
It's an Earthquake Badger. How exciting!
Guess what a tiller does? Tills dirt.
Wow.
Yeah.
So does it have oil, gas? How's it taste? Does it taste good?
It's a little runny.
Yeah. Oh, I see what you done there. Give you the runs.
It might. It's got
Wow.
gas.
Is it gas or water?
It's gas.
Did you smell it?
Oh yeah. Smells like gas.
Yeah, they filled her up. They filled her up for us, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty full.
All right, so let's throw it on to rabbit mode and
Put her on choke.
see if they lied to us or not here.
And where did it come from? Just
It came
across
from
the street?
just down the road, not across the street, just down the road.
Down the road.
Holy moly!
What's happening?
Man, she runs pretty good. No smoke. Woo!
Make sure I get your panties wet.
I wonder if that. I wonder if that's 6.5 horse at 10,000 RPM or 6.5 horse at 12,000 RPM.
Right now, let's make it 7.
Oh, 7 horse. All right. Well, I think we're gonna try to till some dirt with this and see what it does. If she does all right, we'll probably change the oil and sharpen the blades and put her up on the marketplace here come spring.
Alright, we're here in the garden.
What kind of garden is it? A vegetable garden? Tomato garden? Had cucumbers and still has cucumbers in it. All kinds of stuff still.
You guys don't want to hear seed vegetables.
Nope, sure don't. So we're gonna fire this bad boy up and see if it'll actually till.
See, no choke. Let's see if it's gonna.
Man! Woo! How exciting is this? Yep. Charlie Danger, right here. No safety glasses on or nothing. Charlie Danger. Is it not working? It's kind of working.
Somewhat works.
Yeah, it doesn't really seem like it wants to till. Well, they did say it runs, they didn't say it tills.
Alright, it's kind of tilling. Maybe you didn't have the RPMs. I wasn't getting the full 6.5.
Oh, you weren't getting the horsepower you need. won't turn. Well, let me see it.
Let's see if he'll figure it out. Oh well, your RPMs are down now. Cable needs adjusted, he says.
It's not pulling on.
Oh. Alright, then now.
So it's not engaging at all.
Okay. That
So-
should be an easy fix, but probably won't be.
Yep, we'll get this cable adjusted and
Get the oil changed and
yep, we'll get all that and we'll bring you along with us.
alrighty.